Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we have a brand new 2026 Chevrolet Equinox EV LT in the color Summit White. The vehicle uses an electric drive propulsion system with a dual motor all-wheel drive stance. You got your LED headlights with enhanced automation. You have your LED daytime running lights as well as the automatic high beams. We have the walk-up lighting as well. Just down here we have the front end camera. And then coming around the side, you have your charging port just right there. All right, before we go inside, I just want to show you a cool feature this vehicle has. To open the handle, you just click on the right-hand side and it'll open, and then the left-hand side to close. So I'm going to click that, open it. We have the ombre blue accent here. We've got our memory seat adjusters, window controls, mirror adjusters. You get the blue accent on the front too. On the left hand side, you're going to see that we do have our emergency parking brake, lane keep assist, auto hold, trunk button. You get a fully digital center dash. You also get your speed limit indicator on the top right. Fully leather wrapped steering wheel. Left hand side, you have your adaptive cruise control. Right hand side is the heated steering wheel. We also get the hands-free calling and audio controls. Coming over to our digital rear view mirror, but it also doubles as a generic one. We're jumping over to our entertainment screen, starting off on Google Maps, so it is integrated in the vehicle. Also going to put this vehicle into reverse. We have the backup camera. We also have the bird's eye view and multiple different angles. Always handy. Gonna go back to our home screen. We have the different drive modes: normal, sport, snow and ice, and your custom mode. Trailering, settings, ambient lighting. Ooh, someone who already has pink. Let's do a green, because green's always fun. We have climate here, so it is a dual automatic climate control zone, so the front passengers have their free range of that. You can have them synced or individual. We have the heated and vented seats in this vehicle. Coming on the left-hand side, we can shut off the vehicle fully. We can have a timer of when we want the vehicle to remain on. And then this guy right here is the one pedal driving. We can set the level. So you have off, normal, and high, so that when you take your foot off of the gas pedal, the vehicle will automatically slow down or stop. Coming down a little further, we have more climate control buttons. We also have our wireless charging pad there, some charging ports. You get the blue accent in the center. And then I'm going to lift this guy up, and then you have even more storage space. All right, so we're in the back now, and as you see, we do have the privacy glass on all windows. It is darker in the back. We have the pop-out handles. Show you there. Coming to the back, you have the black rear bumper. We also do have our safety parking sensors. Our backup camera is just right here, and you do have the camera cleaner. This is a power lift gate, so I'm going to press the button twice. She's gonna open up for us. You get plenty of storage space even without folding the 3 seats down. You have your cargo light there. Storage on the right-hand side. And if we lift this guy up, we have our charging cords and some like little storage space kind of scattered around. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the brand new 2026 Chevrolet Equinox EV LT. If you have any questions, come on by or give us a call and we will be happy to help you out.